In this video, I will show you how to use Google Antigravity in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so for this here you can see I'm on VS Code, and to use Google Antigravity here, what you will have to do. At first, you need to go to the extension section, and here you need to search the extension. So that is Google Antigravity. Here you search Google Antigravity, and you can see Google Antigravity extension is available. This is from google.com, the official extension, and here you can use Google Antigravity for your agent fast development to Visual Studio Code. You can simply click install to install it inside Visual Studio Code, and when it's done, you can see the icon is added here. You can simply click this Antigravity icon, and now you can see initializing Antigravity. It takes few seconds to initialize Antigravity in VS Code. Let me dismiss it, and here you can see create a project. I will just choose not now, and here you can see this is the Antigravity interface. Here if you want to move it to the sidebar, you can also do that. Let me split this, and here I will simply drag this to this chat option, and now your Antigravity is here. So from here you can choose model like Gemini 3.5 Flash High. You can have Gemini 3.1 Pros, Claude Sonnet 4.6, and other stuff. Okay, so let me open a project folder here. I will go to a project directory, and now choose this test project. Okay, so here you can see when we open a project, right now we cannot see the Antigravity. So what you will do, you will toggle the sidebar beside this chat. Here we will have three dots. If you click here, you can see Antigravity is available. You will click Antigravity here, and now the interface will open. Okay, let me try to build something. I will say create a HTML file and make a table. Okay, I just give this little prompt, and let me press enter. You can see it's start working and already created. I will accept it, and now you can see this is your index.html file. If I close it, you can see the code is here. If you just see how it's going to look, you can go to live server, and now you can see this is your table. So by following this way, you can start Antigravity directly from your VS Code IDE, and this will be helpful if you love Visual Studio Code.